Hello children, how are you children? You all are well and fine. So children, take care of your health and complete the given work and send it to the school mail ID. Children, in this session, we are going to learn Social Studies, 7th class Social Studies, Chapter 10. What is the name of the chapter? Importance of Transport System. So, this chapter we are going to study. This remaining part of this chapter we are going to study, children. Okay, so in this session we are going to learn employment in transport activities, transport service and choices, congestion and pollution, traveling safety and road safety week. So these are sub chapters we are going to learn in this session, children. So again I am calling your friend Afrin here. She will come and read for you, and by seeing her, by listening her reading, you also have to read your lesson reading skills, children. Okay na? Will you do? Yes. So Afrin, come better here. You have to read here textbook page number 97. Employment in transport activities. Read louder better, son.
Employment in transport activities. There are two people who operate a bus, a driver and a conductor. For the overall maintenance of transport facilities in a state, hundreds and thousands of people are required. For example, the Telangana state, the Road Transport Corporation is a government-owned transport service which employs about 64,000 people to run about 10,000 buses. These employees maintain accounts, repair buses or work in the bus depots. Some employees issue bus passes and tickets in bus stands or working as checking inspectors. Majority of the vehicles running on Telangana roads, this is about 3/4 of them, are two-wheelers. The functioning of the transport system also requires many support activities: petrol, diesel, pump stations, repairing shops selling transport vehicles and spare parts.
Backside also. Transport
service and choices. People could use a particular mode of transport depending on the facilities available and affordability. Sometimes options to use different types of transport are possible. For example, it is possible to travel by bus, train or flight to Bangalore. For centuries, ships were an important mode of travel to faraway countries to take people as well as goods, but today there are fewer people traveling by ships, whereas goods are mostly transported by them. It is also possible that some of you come to school by buses. People who are employed in factories, offices, households, shops, etc. also depend on transport. Every city may not have easy access to public transport, such as buses, so the people depend on their own vehicles or hired vehicles like
hired
vehicles like auto rickshaws or taxis. If the cost of travel is high, people may not be able to move from one place to another. For example, if the wages in one place are higher than in another place, people earning low incomes may wish to move to get higher incomes. But if the transport cost is high, they may not show interest in moving to that place. The cost of travel, especially for people who earn lower income, is too much as they have to put away a larger share of their earnings for it. Cycling and walking may not be possible to travel long distances in big cities. It also becomes important to have enough place for people to walk or ride a bicycle. Even when there are pavements, you may find them occupied by shopkeepers. Persons who use wheelchairs cannot use them and take the risk of riding them along the motorized vehicles.
Don't say the name. Okay. Thank you, April. Okay. So, children, employment in transport activities. See, employment means how the employees are working into the transport activities. So, we will learn and will understand. There are two people who operate a bus, a driver and a conductor. So, there are two people who operate the bus, a driver and a conductor. For the overall maintenance of transport facilities in a state, hundreds and thousands of people are required. Okay. Overall maintenance of transport facilities. Overall the transport facilities to maintain the overall transport facilities into the Telangana state. We need hundreds and thousands of people required. For example, the Telangana State Road Transport Corporation is a government-owned transport service which employs about 64,000 people to run about 10,000 buses. Okay, so in the Telangana state, the Road Transport Corporation owns the government owns only the road transport. Okay, in the Telangana, Road Transport Corporation is a government owned transport corporation, and the employees are working 64,000 and runs about 10,000 buses they are running overall the Telangana state. The employees maintain accounts. Okay, the employees maintains accounts, repair buses or work in the bus depots. Some employees issues bus passes and tickets, and in bus stands or work as a checking inspectors. So in this department, in the transport road transport department, so there are many workers are working as account. They in their they maintain the accounts, they maintain the bus repair works, they maintain the tickets and bus ticket checking works, and depots. In the depots also many mechanics will be works for the repair the bus. These all accounts, these all works will be maintained by the Telangana Road Corporation. Majority of the vehicles running on Telangana roads, that is about 3/4 of them, are two-wheelers. Okay, majority of the vehicles running on the Telangana roads, that is about 3/4 of them are two-wheelers. Okay, majority of the vehicles running on the Telangana roads is two-wheelers. Okay, the functioning of transport system also requires many support activities: petrol diesel pumps, stations, repairing shops, shop selling, transport vehicles and spare parts. So the functioning of transport system also requires many activities like petrol pumps, repair shops, spare part repair shops, stations, etc. Now here they given types of bus. Okay, 97 page, types of bus, and Palle Velugu and Gramani, fare and time taken. Okay, Palle Velugu and Gramani, this is bus. Okay, types of bus names: express and deluxe, fare and time taken. So we have to fill this table, children. So I'm giving on the board. Okay, you have to write like this. Types of bus: fare, time taken. Palle Velugu and Gramani. This is the bus name. Palle Velugu, Gramani. Express, Deluxe. So you have to write here. Fare you have to write 15 rupees. Rupees 15 and 1 hour. 1 hour. Rupees 30. Express. Rupees 30. 40 minutes. Rupees 40. 30 minutes. Okay, so write it here, children. Okay, in the textbook you have to fill this table, then we'll see the further topic. Completed, children. Now textbook page number 98C. Transport services and choices. People could use a particular mode of transport depending on the facilities available and affordability. Sometimes options to use different types of transport are possible. For example, it is possible to travel by bus, train or flight to Bangalore. For centuries, ships were an important mode of travel to far away countries to take people as well as goods. But today, there are fewer people traveling by ships, whereas goods are mostly transported by them. So, people could use a particular mode of transport depending upon the facilities available and affordable, affordability means they can bear the charges. Sometimes options to use different types of transports. For example, it is possible to travel by bus. Okay. For example, it is possible to travel by bus, train or flight to Bangalore. For centuries, ships are used to travel the goods from one country to another country. But today, there are fewer people traveling by ships. But today, peoples are traveling by ships, whereas goods are mostly transported by them. It is possible that some of you can come to school by buses. People who are employed in factories, offices, households, shops, etc. also depend on transport. Every city may not have easy access to public transport such as buses. So the people depend on their own vehicles or hired vehicles like auto rickshaws or taxis. So people Every city may not have easy access to public transport such as a buses. Okay, every city is not having this easy access. So the people depend on their own vehicles or hired vehicles like auto rickshaws or taxis. If the cost of travel is high, people may not be able to move from one place to another. For example, if the wages in one place are higher than in another place, people earning low incomes may wish to move to get higher incomes. But if the transport cost is high, they may not show interest in moving to that place. Okay, so daily wages people move one place to another place to earn the money. If the cost of transport transport charge is very high, so the people is not interested to go the places which is having the high cost of transport charges. So the cost of travel, especially for people who earn lower income, is too much as they have to put away a larger share of their earnings for it. Cycling and walking may not be possible to travel long distances. In big cities, it also becomes important to have enough places for people to walk or ride a bicycle. Even when there are pavements, you may find them occupied by shopkeepers. Sometimes the height of the road and pavement could be so different that persons who use wheelchairs cannot use them and take the risk of riding them along the motorized vehicles. So, children, the people will not show the interest to the work in the places which is having the traveling cost is high, because they are earning low, their income is low, and they will not spend more amount of their earning on the traveling. So the people will not show interest to go the places which is having the high cost of traveling charge. And we found many shopkeepers are sitting on the payments and selling their goods. And some people's the payments could be so different that person who use wheelchairs cannot be use them. Okay, so the road and the pavements, height of the road and the pavements are very different. So the people those are using the wheelchairs can't use that pavements. So that peoples we have to take into the motorized vehicle only. Okay, so this is the condition. Okay, transport, the people will use the transport as their choice, and if they will affordable the charges, they will use that transport. Here, page number 99c, congregation and pollution. Most cities in our country are now experiencing congestion and traffic blocks. If the public transport system is not efficient, people buy private vehicles, which can further increase the traffic blockage in urban areas because the roads may not be broad enough to accommodate all these vehicles. So public transport is not enough, means people is purchasing the own vehicles, and due to this the roads are not enough to control these vehicles. That's why the problem is raising road blockage. Road blockage problems is increasing, pollution problem is increasing. Okay, because the roads are not broad and not having enough place to give these vehicles. Let us try to understand this with the help of an example. They given here one example. The number of people living in 6 big cities in India increased by 2 times during 1981 to 2001, whereas the number of motor vehicles went up by 8 times during the same period. Motorcycles and cars are used in a big way. This has led to the increased use of petrol and diesel, which has increased air pollution. To reduce air pollution, we should consume less of these petroleum products. Public transport is more efficient in this aspect as it carries more people with minimum cost. So children, many people are public transport is not enough. That's why many people are using their own bikes, own cars, and petrol and diesel. They are using the petrol and diesel, and due to this, the air pollution is increased. So to prevent the air pollution, we have to encourage the public transports which are consumes the less petrol and diesels. So traveling safety. How the travel will be safety, see children. Road travel nowadays has become more risky. The road accidents, deaths, and injuries affect low income families, as many of those killed or injured tend to be cyclists, pedestrians, or pavement dwellers. Accidents can occur not on roads alone. There is risk involved in other means of transport too. In places where roads and railways cross level crossing, there are often gates to stop the vehicles while the trains are passing. They are called railway gates. These are called railway gates. However, if there are no such gates at level crossing, it is important for people and vehicles to stop and look in both the directions before crossing the railway line. So, in the vehicles are increased in the transport system on the road transport, and what happened? The accidents, deaths, the problem is increased. And mostly, where are the railway tracks? There this problem is increased. If the where are the railway tracks? There should be one railway gate, and the people should stop their vehicles when the gate is locked, and after passes the train, the gate will be open and the vehicle should be go. But where are these types of railway gates are not, so there what the people should do, children, they have to use their alertness. They have to look both the sides of the railway track before crossing the railway track, whether train is coming or not. Then only they cross the railway track. Where the gate, railway gate is not there, there people should be alert and they have to look both the side of the railway track before crossing, and then only they have to cross the railway track. Then only this problem will be comes under control, this accident. Okay na? Now is road safety week. In the first week of every year, the road transport department all over the country celebrate road safety week. On this occasion, they give guidelines to the people to follow traffic rules. The government run companies such as the Telangana State Road Transport Corporation conduct awareness campaign among drivers and give them training to drive safely. They also go to school to organize easy writing, to organize essay writing, debate and other competitions for students and encourage them to travel safely following traffic rules. Every person using the transport system, road, railways or airways, and those working in them are required to follow specific safety rules. This will be reduce the deaths, injuries and other uh, casualties casualties that occur due to the transport. So children, every week in the first week of the every year, the transport department celebrates road safety week. On this occasion, they give guidelines and transport rules, and the government run companies such as the Telangana State Road Transport Company Corporation Corporation conduct awareness camps among drivers and give them training to drive safely. They also go to school to organize essay writing, debate and other competitions to students and encourage them to travel safely. So every year, the first week of the every year, department, the road transport department celebrates the road safety week. On this occasion, they give the guidelines and safety rules of traveling. And the Telangana State Government Road Corporation conduct the awareness for the drivers, bus drivers or vehicle drivers, and give them training. And also they go to the schools. These road corporation persons also go to the schools and they conduct their competitions, essay, debates to the students and bring awareness among the students about the road safety and road safety rules. Road railways or airways and those working in the required to follow safety rules. Okay, those are roads, railways and airways. Those are working, those are employees or those are running. They have to follow the safety rules. This will reduce the deaths. This will reduce the deaths, injuries and other casualties that occur due to the transport. So here we completed the lesson 10. What is the chapter of the name of the chapter 10th? Okay, what is the name of the chapter? Importance of transport system. Here we completed, children. Okay, I am requesting once you go through the lesson, read silently the lesson. Okay, from textbook page number 98, 99. Then we will discuss the further topic. Over reading. Reading is very important, children. So again and again I am requesting you, you have to make the habit of lesson reading. Then only you can able to write the answers in your own words. Okay, na children? So do reading every day, one lesson twice. Okay. Now here textbook page number 100, 100 and the end of this lesson they given improve your learning. In that they given some questions which I am reading, children, just listen. How is the transport system essential for producing agricultural goods? Illustrate with examples. How is the use of buses different from trains? Why is it important to provide transport facilities to villages? Why do you think are waterways important for a country? How does the transport system become a means of livelihood? What will happen if there is a rise in transport cost for goods made in factories? Illustrate with an example. Write a few slogans on prevention of road or rail accidents. Congestion and traffic blocks occur due to the use of vehicles in a big way. What measures do you suggest to prevent this? Draw outline map of Telangana state and locate Hyderabad. So these are all question answers. You have to answer, children. Write in HW book. You can take your help of study material also. In your study material, these are all question answers given. These are all questions given with answers very clearly. Once you have to read that and then you have to write in your own words that answers. Okay, children. So today your Sakshi is like this. Sakshi. Subject right here. Social studies. Class you write here. 7th class. And HW right here. Learn and write question and answers from lesson 10 in HW one time. So whatever the question answers given and at the end of the lesson, improve your learning. That all question answers you have to read from your study material, then you have to write in your own words, children. So this is your homework, and here you have to take the parent sign, and here when the schools will be reopened physically, that time teachers will give the sign here. Okay, write this homework in the neat handwriting and send it to the school given mail ID in a time, children. Don't keep any pendings. Write in good handwriting. Here we completed chapter 10. So we will meet with another chapter in the another session. Until then, bye bye.